That's deep.
We're not trying to disrupt the gear industry. We're not trying to disrupt the industry in general. We're basically trying to find a product that will fill a gap, and that gap is for the everyday rider who's looking for a high quality product at a really, really good price. But we're not willing to sacrifice quality, and we're not willing to sacrifice fit.
As you guys know, I'm very hard on gear and equipment, so yeah, it's been great. I mean, I have drugged this stuff through the mud, dirt, snow, pit bikes, blackberry bushes. I mean, I find myself on the ground a lot, and it's taken a beating. So I'm excited for everybody to try it out tomorrow. So close, man. How'd the riding cook gear do? It's held up, baby. Dude, I just freaking sucked 3 times in a row.
Well, it's just life, man.
There we go.
Thanks, guys. Hey, I got tension on it. That was a good one.
Dude.
A little bit short.
Oh no, no. Holy crap, that's slick.
Having fun out here with Rider Company and MotoSport.com, baby.
That'll work.
I mean, you can't find that kind of stuff in California. Like, it just doesn't happen.
Nobody?
No. Are you willing to pay more than that?
Wow.